everyone! In this video, I will talk about the basic components of a computer. A computer has different parts that work together to process information and perform tasks. Understanding them will help you know how a computer works. So, let's get started. A computer is made up of three main components: input devices, CPU, central processing unit, and output devices. Let's talk about them one by one. Input devices. Input devices allow users to enter data and commands into the computer. These devices help the computer understand what the user wants to do. Some common input devices include keyboard, the most commonly used input device. It allows users to type letters, numbers, and commands. It has different keys like alphabets, numbers, function keys, and special characters. Mouse, a pointing device used to move the cursor on the screen. It helps in selecting, dragging, and clicking objects. Scanner, a device that scans physical documents or images and converts them into digital format. It is useful for digitizing paperwork and photos. Microphone, captures sound and allows voice input. It is used for voice commands, recording, and communication in video calls. Webcam, a small camera used for video conferencing, live streaming, and capturing images or videos. After discussing input devices, let's now move on to one of the most important components of a computer, the CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer because it processes and executes all instructions given by the user. It consists of three main parts. Number 1. Control unit. This part directs and manages all operations inside the computer. It controls how data moves between different parts of the system. Number 2. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU. This unit is responsible for performing mathematical calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc., and logical operations, comparisons like greater than or less than. Number 3. Memory. Under memory, we have three main types: RAM, ROM, and hard disk. Each plays a different role in how the computer operates and stores information. Number 1. RAM, random access memory. This is the temporary memory of a computer. It stores data and programs that are currently in use, making processing fast. However, RAM is volatile, meaning data is lost when the computer is turned off. Number 2. ROM, read-only memory. This is permanent memory that contains essential instructions for starting up the computer. Unlike RAM, data in ROM remains even after the computer is turned off. Number 3. Hard disk. The hard disk is the main storage device of a computer. It stores the operating system, software, files, and user data permanently. Hard disks can be either HDD, hard disk drive, or SSD, solid-state drive, where SSDs are faster and more efficient. After discussing memory, RAM, ROM, and hard disk, let's now move on to output devices. Output devices. Output devices take processed data from the computer and present it in a human-readable form. These devices help users see, hear, or get physical copies of their work. Some common output devices include monitor, the most commonly used output device. It displays text, images, videos, and animations. Speaker, converts digital audio signals into sound, allowing users to listen to music, watch videos, and hear notifications. Some computers have built-in speakers, while others use external ones. Printer, produces a hard copy of digital documents, images, or text on paper. There are different types of printers, such as inkjet printers, for color printing, and laser printers, for fast, high-quality printing. Projector, a device that projects the computer screen onto a larger surface, such as a wall or screen, making it useful for presentations, lectures, and watching movies. And that's all about the components and parts of a computer. I hope this video helped you understand them better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.